And now, I'd like to introduce you to Monsieur Philippe Legault, who makes sure that everything runs smoothly at our center on a daily basis. We couldn't survive without him.
Hello, and thanks for joining us. I manage the staff, resources, and daily operations for the Steinberg Center and make sure that everyone has what they need to provide the excellent service that we are known for. We are one of the largest medical simulation centers in Canada with over 31,000 square feet. In a typical year, we host over 500 workshops, welcoming 18,000 learners annually to our interprofessional training center. Our priority is to train students, residents, and faculty from the McGill Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences. We also host external workshops and conferences for healthcare professionals, including the Canadian Space Agency. Organizing workshops during the current COVID pandemic has been challenging. There really is no precedent. We have had to adapt quickly to the new reality and demands and have implemented measures to minimize the risk of contamination and reduce the number of learners to ensure everyone's safety. When you hold a workshop at our center, you have the full support of our dedicated team. From technical expertise to administrative support, we employ 18 highly skilled full-time staff members who bring with them a broad range of specialized knowledge to plan, organize, and execute learning activities. Our administrative team provides vital support to make sure that all of our workshops and activities run smoothly and safely. Mayumi manages the booking requests and schedules the workshops and courses. She works with faculty to organize all of the resources needed to meet the desired learning objectives and provide an authentic learning experience. Mayumi also supports financial reporting, data analysis, and human resources administration for the center. Visitors to our center receive a warm welcome from Amanda, who helps prepare the course materials, manages logistics, and provides faculty and learners with the necessary information to ensure that their courses run smoothly. She also compiles learner feedback from course evaluation to ensure that we are continuously improving. Among her many duties, Lucy offers administrative support to senior leadership. She organizes meetings for our education committee and advisory boards and oversees logistics for our visiting professors. Another huge part of our team are the hundreds of standardized patients we work with to bring our scenarios to life. These talented actors are trained to accurately and consistently play the roles of an actual patient, a healthcare professional, or a family member at a specific point in time. This human interaction allows our learners to practice their communication and clinical examination skills in a safe environment and receive valuable feedback on their patient interactions. Our standardized patient team collaborates with faculty to develop scenarios based on the level of learners and the course objectives. Chris, Morgan, and Christopher identify standardized patients who match the patient gender, ethnicity, and age for the roles, and provide them with the relevant information and coaching. During the recent pandemic, we incorporated standardized patients into distant learning scenarios so that learners could continue to hone their skills remotely.
Thank you, Philippe. As you can see, our tight-knit team works hard to bring you an authentic learning experience. These are just a few members of our dedicated team. You'll meet more along the way.